Hello viewers, welcome to SRK Studio. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we create a dynamic L-shaped stair in AutoCAD. As you can see, I have already created a dynamic L-shaped stair. I can easily increase the number of steps from here, and I can easily flip this stair. As you can see, in which direction I want, I can easily flip this staircase. And other thing, you need to learn that I can easily align this stair with this wall, just like this, and I can easily align this with this wall, as you can see. So how can you create a staircase like this? So let's get started. Here you can see that I have already created a rectangle of 5 feet by 5 feet, and the step with the thread length is 1 feet. So let's delete the dimension first from here. Now type B in the command bar for the block, enter, pick point, select object, name this, make sure that this should be checked, open in block editor, click OK. Wow. As you can see, the stair is open in the block editor. So now here is the first thing we need to do. Click on the parameters, base point, OK. Now click on the linear, distance 1, distance 2, 13 inches. Now distance 3, distance 4. So as you can see, I have created the 4 distances, 1, 2, 3, 4, selected all the 4 distances. Now press Ctrl 1 for the properties and select the numbers 1. Now deselect, select distance 3 and distance 2 and 4. Now go to the value set, increment of 12 inches, deselect. Now go to the action, but the first thing we need to do is to add alignment. Click on the alignment, center point, alignment, center point. Now click on the flip and type M2P, line, flip M2P, now flip again, type M2P, center point, end point, enter. Now again select M2P, center point, end point. Now go to action, click on the stretch, select the parameter point, and now select the corner, select object, enter. Now click on the stitch, select parameter point, select the corner, select object, select distance, now click on the array, select distance 2 and select object, enter, give the distance 12 inches. Now click on the stretch, distance 2, stretch point. Now select corner, select object, enter. Now click on the stretch, select distance 3, parameter point, corner, select object to stretch, enter. Now again stretch, select distance 3, parameter point, and now corner, select, enter. Now click on the array, select parameter, select object, enter, and give the distance 12 inches. Now go to stretch, select the distance for perimeter point, and now select object with a corner. Now select object, enter. Now click on the flip, select perimeter, select object, enter. Now again flip, select flip, perimeter, and select object. Now go to flip, again select perimeter, select all the objects, enter. Now close the block editor. So here you can see I have created the staircase. You can easily increase the number of steps, and as well as you can flip this staircase just like this, and as well as you can easily align this with any line just like this, and you can flip here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel